The second runner-up, we would also like to request another beauty queen, Miss Ruby Mejos, to please join us on stage.
That's on behalf of Madam Nila.
Okay, and by the way, friends, okay, Phil here is also a beauty queen because she is a former Miss Tagbilaran right now. The second runner-up is candidate number 14.
Congratulations to Barangay Poblacion Dos, our second runner-up. Okay, Raul, may we have, or are we closer to the next?
Okay, let's have the second runner-up.
Yeah.
Okay, can we have our...
To give the sash for the first runner-up, we have Michael Vallejos and Miss Tagbilaran 2008, Ruby Crisani Mejos. For the bouquet, we would like to ask Josie Montez and Arthur Bagcat. Or by the way,
The second runner-up is...
okay, second runner-up, Renante Balani and EJ Relapagos for the
of
bouquet.
flowers. Okay, the sash is from
Johnny Tabigil Lynch and Miss Lovina Joy Bulanday. Runner-up of Miss
Okay,
Bax
can you please step
2007.
forward, Johnny? Next, we have our bouquet of flowers, Renante and EJ. Okay, it's Renante.
And to crown,
We have Glenn Socko.
Mr. Glenn Socko, together with Miss Aya Montero. To give cash award, we would like to call in Sangguniang Bayan member of Panglao, Francisco Montero, together with the Grand Lady of My Madam Productions, Madam Nila Paredes Montero.
That is for the second runner-up. Congratulations to candidate number 14. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. Placing third from 14. Lovely where you are, because you still have your cash prize. Thank you, Mr. Glenn Soto. Thank you, Ms. Montero.
Okay, we have to give a sash for the first runner-up, Mr. Michael Vallejos, to be paired with Miss Tagbilaran 2008, Ruby Crisani Mejos. Then to give the bouquet, we have Josie Montez and Arthur Bagcat. And to crown, we have Miss Amira Alia Montero and Mr. Marco Alcaraz.
Marco Alcaraz, please, for the crown.
To give the sash cash incentive is Miss Angelina Vidas Hoffman.
And of course, Howard Huffman.
Mr. Howard Huffman, the husband of Angie.
The first runner-up. Kinsa man mga higala? Is it number 12 or number 4? Ha? Okay, tawago na mo kuna ang first runner-up. So that means nga ang Rayna ang numero nga dili matawag. The first runner-up is candidate number.
First runner-up is candidate number.
Mura dili lagi sila close feel, no? Why don't you join together?
Why don't you hold hands? Diba? Like they do in the Miss Universe.
Okay. Can you look at each other? Can you look at each other? Pwede magtanawan na yung duha before we make the announcement. and tell yourselves good luck. Okay, the first runner-up. Okay, the role of the first runner-up is very important because the first runner-up is the winner is unable to fulfill her obligations. The first runner-up takes her place. The first runner-up is candidate number 4.
First runner-up is Miss Gail Angelique Biocas of Palatay Road. Now, Miss Panglao 2010 is no other than...
The first runner-up, the sash. Okay, please.
Okay, first runner-up, the sash is Michael Vallejos together with Ruby Mejos, the bouquet, Josie Montes, and Art Bagat. The crown is Aya Montero and Marco Alcaraz, and for the cash incentive, we have Mr. and Mrs. Howard and Angie Hoffman. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand to our Miss Panglao 2010 from Poblacion, Kenching Gumalan.
She just might be the next Panglawanan beauty to win the Miss Bohol Sandugo crown. Kaya Gimalan from Poblacion, no? Alright. The new Miss Panglao, please take your first walk. To be escorted, of course, by number 5.
Okay, to give the sash is Miss Irena Heberer of ABC or Apguy, to be assisted by Mrs. Bohol International 2009, Rose Soy, we have Binibining Pilipinas 2006, Ana Marie Ipit,
And Binibining Pilipinas 2005 International. The prize will be awarded by
Mr. Richard Dumaluan and spouse Nice Dumaluan.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the highlight of our Fiesta celebration in Panglao. So on behalf of My Madam Productions, Madam Lila Montero, and of course, the Panglao Youth Organization, thank you so much, Aya Montero.
We have the 3, 2, 1.